You've got the notes open, the highlighters are right there. You told yourself, today is the day, and then, nothing. Your eyes scan the same paragraph for the fourth time. Your brain just won't start. You're not distracted, you're not lazy, you're just dead inside. And the worst part? The exam is in 2 days. If you've ever sat at your desk feeling completely empty, staring at your books like they're written in a foreign language, this video is exactly for you. Because what's happening in your brain right now has a name, and more importantly, there's a way out of it. Why this happens, and why it's not your fault. Here's what most people get wrong. When your brain feels dead, they say, just push through it. Discipline, no excuses. But that advice completely ignores what's actually going on inside your head. Your brain runs on a chemical called dopamine, the fuel for focus and motivation. And when you've been stressed, sleep-deprived, scrolling social media, or just grinding for too long, that fuel tank hits empty. You can't force focus out of an empty tank. Telling yourself to just study at that point is like yelling at a car with no gas to drive faster. It doesn't work. What does work is learning to refuel the right way. And that's exactly what we're going to do.
Before you study, do this first. The biggest mistake students make when their brain feels dead, they sit down harder. They stare longer. They switch tabs, feel guilty, come back, stare again. Stop. Before you touch a single textbook, you need to reset your nervous system first. Here's how. It takes exactly 3 minutes. Step 1. Stand up and move. 60 seconds. Not a workout, not a run. Just walk to the kitchen. Do 10 jumping jacks. Shake your hands out. Physical movement forces blood flow to your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for focus. Seriously, 60 seconds of movement is more effective than 20 minutes of forcing yourself to stare at notes. Step 2. Cold water on your face or wrists. 30 seconds. This activates your body's dive reflex. It instantly slows your heart rate and pulls your nervous system out of stress mode. Used by athletes, used by surgeons, and it takes half a minute. Step 3. Take 5 deep breaths. Slow exhale. Inhale 4 counts, hold 2, exhale 6. This isn't wellness fluff. It directly activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which is the calm, focused state your brain needs to actually absorb information. 3 minutes, that's all. Then you sit down.
Okay, you've reset. You sit down, and your brain still feels like it's moving through mud. Here's the secret most productive students know, and nobody talks about. You don't start with the hard stuff. Your brain has something called activation energy, the mental effort required to begin a task. When you're already drained, that activation energy is sky high. So instead of opening the hardest chapter, you start with the easiest possible thing related to your subject. Reread notes you already understand. Rewrite a definition you already know. Draw a quick diagram from memory. You're not wasting time. You're warming your brain up. Like a car engine in winter. You don't floor it immediately. You let it warm up for 60 seconds first. Do this for 10 minutes. By minute 8, and I promise you this, something will shift. Your brain will start to engage. The fog will begin to lift. This is called the Zeigarnik effect. Once your brain starts a task, it wants to finish it. The hardest part is just beginning. Make the beginning ridiculously easy.